Okay, yeah, that was with more boost. It does it one more.
All right, explain to the viewers, bro.
Okay, so turbo's maxing out. Turbo's too small.
So give me a quick little summary, brother.
No bueno.
What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm not gonna record the dash because the camera likes to geek out a little bit whenever it looks at the dash for some reason. So I'm supposed to be at the dyno at 7 p.m. It is currently 6:49 p.m. We are currently like an hour away from the dyno, so yeah, I'm gonna be a little late. The reason we're going to the dyno today, I guess my tuner is going to tune a built motor single turbo 370Z. I'm not sure who the guy is, if I'm being honest, but all the homies are gonna go, so I said why not. I'll pull up, kick it with some homies, and see as he get dyno. So hope you some gas. And there's gas on my paint, mother. How do y'all think she's looking with the springs on? Honestly, for springs, I feel like it's pretty good. Happy with my purchase. All right, guys, we made it here to the dyno. Got a few cars here already. The car that's gonna be dyno is already on the dyno, I believe, and I think we made it just in time because I don't think they started yet, but I think it's already loaded up on the dyno. Let's go find out. What's up, nerd?
What up, buddy? I'm making you recording me.
Are you recording me right now?
Meta glasses, bro.
Recording when it's recording.
Oh, it shows when it's
You
recording.
taking wrist cams or what? You going to the mall picking up drugs or what?
We got a 370Z right here on the dyno. I believe it is a built motor, single turbo, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, you see, this is exactly what I need on mine. I need a bash bar covering my intercooler. I currently don't have one. Very nice. See how much he makes? I guess the homie Panda was saying that his clutch might limit him, so let's see how much he makes. First pull to see what she made. 561, 492, nice. Talk to us. You want me to record you? What are we doing here?
We are tuning 2020, right? 2020 WRX STI.
Electric.
Electric, all electric.
Pull number 2. Keeps knocking it down. Made 10 horsepower. 571, 501. Nice.
Okay, so yeah, the timing is good where with that.
Yeah, you turned down the timing, that's why I made a little less power. Third pull barely, I think, right? Third, fourth.
Leave it? Yeah,
Can't even see. Watch out. Don't fuck me up.
Okay, let's see how the master here does reels. He's talking about my reels.
See how steady that was?
I think he's saying the turbo's too small.
Turn it up.
Send it to the moon, buddy.
I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look like it wants to make any movement.
Oh, thank you, sir. The Y, this is the YN fit? The what? $595, $540. Nice torque. Making some pretty nice torque. Sounds like you need to throw a little bit more timing at it. Let's see what it does.
I'd rather a little longer time before I upgrade.
Try to squeeze out another 5 horsepower, brother.
Yeah, make this shit get 600.
Sounds so sick from the front, bro. Let's go. Oh, it broke the 600. 608.
Choking it though. Okay, yeah, that was with more boost. It does it one more.
That's a nice number though. Oh yeah. So apart from this thing being pretty quick, that's a nice little angle kit on it. And a hydro. So I guess the owner of this car, his original plan was I guess to drift this thing. But I guess he went full send instead. Imagine how fun of a drift car this would be though with this type of power. Damn. Also, if there's any new viewers on the channel, I haven't been to the dyno in a long time, so you guys have probably not seen this. This is the real Evo. Like a half of an Evo, or probably less like a quarter, on the wall. That is so freaking fire, bro. That's literally a flex. And on this side of the shop, so here's the dyno, right? And on this side of the shop, they work on Evos. Well, there's a Subaru right there, I guess, but it's pretty sick, bro. I still need one of these in my life. I'll try one more. The owner does want a safe tune, so he's not gonna get all the beans. $587. It's making less.
I dropped the power.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
2 bar right there. I'm just making it safe.
Alright, explain to the viewers, bro.
Okay, so turbo's maxing out, turbo's too small. I built this motor, raised the compression just slightly, about 0.2 larger. Before, the AR was about a 0.81 AR for the exhaust housing on the turbo, which I thought was choking out the turbo. I'm lowering it down. I'm lowering it down. So, So I lowered the boost up top, and it made a little bit more power up top. But it's still choking though. So. Yeah, the turbo's still good.
590. You're not trying to make more power, right?
No, I'm trying to make it as safe as possible. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
trying to make more power now.
Okay.
I'm trying to get the curves nice and flat, as safe as possible.
You just did another pull.
I missed it, bro.
Let's go see what it made. Wow, the one time I wasn't here, I made more power. 615, 520 torque. Hell yeah. So yeah, guys, that was, I believe, the last pull. Car made 615 with 520 foot-pounds of torque, keeping it as reliable as possible. The car does have a built motor, so it's obviously capable of a lot more, just that the turbo is what's holding them back. So 615 is still solid though. More than enough to have some fun for sure. Especially if you drift this thing, bro. So give me a quick little summary, brother.
No bueno.
Why?
I just gave you a summary.
You didn't finish it.
Oh.
I mean, the AR itself.
So what we're noticing is that with the smaller AR, the turbo is pulling a certain RPM, whatever, right? We enlarged the AR, put the next size up, which is a 1.0 something instead of a 0.80 or 0.70 something, and the spool time's the same. That's how you know the turbo's probably choking out still.
So turbo's fault. I like this little thing right here. What'd it make? You look like a deal right now, bro.
You need to lock in, bro.
I need to lock in. What were you guys talking about before? 612 with more torque. 524. I guess they're not done. I thought they were. 614 with 529. Oh, he's making more torque. Torque is what matters. I guess the party's not over. He keeps doing pulls. That sounded pretty healthy, I'm not gonna lie. The homie just started his Z and his cam. The chop's pretty nice. Let me go record it real quick for you guys so you guys can hear it. Yeah, this is the best chop I've ever heard out of a VQ. This is the best chop I've ever heard out of a VQ, bro.
Bro, it's an LS.
All over you. Alright, he said he's gonna do a pull for us real quick. Yeah, hey, he has Z1 headers? Panda? He has Z1 headers?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's in my opinion one of the best sounding headers for a VQ. guys got to hear it. You guys didn't get to see it though. It sounded pretty good. Chris is showing us his last tune back in 2017.
2021, bro. 650.
Hot ass today. Where'd you put that?
Because it probably was. Let me see the temp. Let's see.
You need more. Motherfucker.
Yeah, 92 degrees.
Well, yeah, it was June.
Yeah, no shit.
Fucking hot.
Made 521 and 552 foot-pounds of torque. I remember when I was in high school.
Remember when you were in high school? I was actually in middle school. We're
gonna go try it out on the street, make sure everything's good. What other tuners doing this, bro? A lot of tuners just put you on the dyno and tell you to kick rocks. This was gonna go check it on the street, make sure everything's good. We're gonna go see this thing. Damn. Well, the diff, I'm assuming.
That's scary, bro.
Yeah, that's looking sketch. That's it. Yeah. That fool was on his bumper. In case there's some new viewers to the channel as well, this is actually my tuner's girl's car. Not his girl's.
Hey, this shit would gap your car, bro.
You think so?
This shit would gap your car.
What's the slowest car here? That Civic will gap your car.
I'll gap that fucker.
It's too nice though. And it's lady driven, bro. It's fire. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna be a wrap here. We're all going home now. Yeah. So the car unfortunately did not make the power that my tuner wanted it to make, but it was just the turbo's fault, I guess. All good. Just change it out and turn the car.